Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Auto Reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Mahindra KUV100 NXT, a compact SUV designed for urban practicality with rugged SUV stance. Mahindra has refined this model with a more aggressive design, improved features, and better performance to meet the demands of city driving while maintaining its strong road presence. Let's break it all down. The 2025 Mahindra KUV100 NXT features a bold and modern exterior that makes it stand out in the compact SUV category. The signature front grille has been redesigned with a more premium chrome accented finish, flanked by sharp-looking LED DRLs and projector headlamps for better visibility. The sculpted hood and muscular side cladding give it a rugged appeal, while new 15-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels add a sporty touch. At the rear, the updated LED taillights and a reworked bumper enhance its modern look, making it an eye-catching option in the small SUV market. Inside, Mahindra has focused on practicality and comfort with an upgraded cabin. The 2025 model gets a new dashboard layout featuring a floating 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for seamless connectivity. The seats are well cushioned and offer ample legroom despite its compact size, and the new dual-tone upholstery adds a premium feel. Storage spaces are cleverly placed throughout the cabin, making it a functional choice for daily city commutes. Additionally, the KUV100 NXT retains its unique 6-seater configuration with a front bench seat option, providing added flexibility for families. Under the hood, the KUV100 NXT is powered by a refined 1.2-liter mFalcon petrol engine, delivering around 82 horsepower and 115 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox, ensuring smooth city driving with a fuel-efficient performance. Mahindra has also improved the car's suspension setup, offering a more stable and comfortable ride over uneven roads. While there's no diesel option this time, Mahindra may introduce an electric variant in the future to cater to eco-conscious buyers. Safety has been a priority in the 2025 Mahindra KUV100 NXT, and the car now comes with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat mounts as standard. Higher variants include electronic stability control and a rear-view camera, making it a safer choice in its segment. The high ground clearance also helps in tackling rough roads and speed bumps with ease, giving drivers added confidence behind the wheel. One of the key selling points of the KUV100 NXT is its SUV-like stance with the practicality of a compact car, making it ideal for city dwellers who want a high seating position and robust design without compromising on maneuverability. The spacious interior with the unique 6-seater option makes it stand out in the segment, while the improved technology and infotainment system cater to modern needs. Additionally, Mahindra's strong service network and affordability make it a value-for-money proposition. The expected price of the 2025 Mahindra KUV100 NXT ranges between a superscript 16.5 lakh and a superscript 19 lakh, depending on the variant. With its refreshed design, practical features, and improved safety, it remains a strong contender in the budget-friendly compact SUV segment. If you're looking for a small SUV with big features, the KUV100 NXT is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new KUV100 NXT, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Reviews for more car updates. See you in the next one.